Hey guys, welcome to the video today. In today's video, I'm going to show you 5 common reasons why your check engine light might be on. Then I'm going to show you how to find out exactly why it's on. So if your check engine light is on, this is the video for you. Let's take a look now at one of the possible causes. Alright, so one of the possible reasons that your check engine light is on is because of the MAF sensor, and this is what the MAF sensor looks like in my 2006 Toyota Corolla. The MAF sensor is responsible for measuring the amount of air that is entering the engine. Some of the possible symptoms that you might be having if you have a bad MAF sensor is your vehicle may be hard to start or it may stall out. Okay, let's take a look at the next possible reason that your check engine light is on. Okay, so another reason that your check engine light might be on is because of the catalytic converter. The catalytic converter is part of the exhaust system, and it's responsible to convert toxic gases and pollutants into less toxic gases and pollutants. And some of the symptoms of a bad catalytic converter include poor engine performance and reduced acceleration. Okay, so another possible reason that your check engine light is on is because of your O2 sensor. And my 2006 Toyota Corolla has two O2 sensors. These are responsible for measuring the unburned oxygen in your exhaust system, and a possible symptom of a bad O2 sensor is bad gas mileage. On my 2006 Toyota Corolla, there's one behind the valve cover, and then there is one underneath the car. Let me show you those now. Okay, here is one of the O2 sensors on my 2006 Toyota Corolla. And there is the other O2 sensor on my 2006 Toyota Corolla. Okay, so another possible reason why your check engine light is on is because of an issue with a spark plug or an ignition coil. And on my 2006 Toyota Corolla, the spark plug and ignition coils are underneath the valve cover. Here is how you get access to them. The spark plug produces a spark which ignites the air-fuel mixture, and possible symptoms of a bad spark plug or ignition coil are misfires or a rough idle. Okay, let's go ahead and move on to the next possible reason that your check engine light is on. Alright, so another possible reason that your check engine light is on is because of your fuel cap. If it didn't get put back on correctly, or the gasket inside here is damaged or cracked or broken, it may be allowing for a vacuum leak. This is an easy one to check. Just look at the gasket on the inside of the fuel cap there and make sure that it's in good shape, and then make sure that your fuel cap gets put back on properly. Okay, so now that we've talked about 5 common reasons why your check engine light is on, let's talk about how to find out exactly why your check engine light is on.
So guys, watch the next video to know how to check the reason why your check engine light is on. Please guys, if you find this video helpful, kindly like, subscribe, and share. Bye.